Bugsy. That's Bugsy. He's one of our adoptable dogs. And yeah. That's Gracie. She's my dog. She's 3 years old. She sticks to me like glue. Okay. This is my bedroom. Well, it's supposed to be my bed, but I don't sleep there anymore. And that's my dresser, everything. That's Buttons. He's adoptable. That's Missy. She's adoptable too. There's Ghost, my mom's dog. There's Buddy. That's my other dog. He's 6 years old. That's Waldo right there. He's my mom's dog. But hopefully I'll be taking him when I go. That's my kitchen. That's my fridge. That's the lady. She's terrified of everything. So we got her from a dog hoarder. So she's my mom's dog. And this is my mom's bathroom. My mom's room. This is our third bathroom. Those are my Romeos. Can't put my spurs on them. It sucks.